Hey everyone, this video will give you a quick introduction about the world of product data science and analytics. Here's what we'll learn today. What is a product? What is product data science and analytics? What are the top skills which are required for a product data scientist or analyst? And what are the top tools which are used by a product data scientist or analyst? A quick intro about me. I'm Utsav Shah. I'm currently a product analyst at Uber Eats in San Francisco, California. I'm extremely passionate about data science and product and have worked in the consumer internet industry for the past 6 years. Here's a quick recap of my journey. I grew up in New Delhi, studied engineering from Delhi University. I've worked in e commerce, ride sharing, and food delivery tech. All right, what is a product? Over the years, the definition of product has changed from just physical products like shoes and cars to now online products like Google and Facebook. Most businesses in the current world now have an online presence, and hence they'll also have an online product, which is probably a mobile app or a website. However, this is too broad a definition, and hence companies have different product verticals. So, Facebook, for example, could have so many different product verticals like newsfeed, marketplace, groups, jobs, etc. Product verticals are then further broken down into smaller chunks called product features. Because the world of business is always changing, products are continuously optimized by either introducing new features or tweaking existing product features. Generally speaking, every product feature has its own workstream. Let's look at a quick difference between what feature and benefits look like. So every product feature will correspond to a benefit or a set of benefit for the users. For example, the product feature would be show stories on Facebook. And the benefit for the users would be seeing the most relevant and most important stories of their liking. Based on this, there can be multiple product questions attached to each product feature depending on the maturity of the product. So questions like, should we launch stories? If yes, which market should we launch first? How do you design stories? What stories should we show to which user? And what algorithm would power the ranking of these stories? More generally, these are some of the questions that data can help answer. What product features should we introduce next? Which users should we actually target? What to optimize? How do we measure success? And how do we prioritize between different product features? Here's where companies extensively leverage data science skills to shape and optimize their products. Let's look at a simplified version of how different stakeholders perform their own duties. You would interact with product managers who are the central drivers of the entire execution. They build the strategy, they gather requirements, and drive the execution. Engineers are the ones who are building these features and drive the technical part of the execution. Product designers build design copies, define different user experiences, conduct user research, etc. And product data scientist and analyst, they are the one building more science around the whole process by leveraging data. Let's deep dive into what exactly this means. So what is product data science and analytics? While solving problems through data remains the broad theme, this role demands working closely on product related challenges and optimizations. There are three most important things that you need to be great at. One, deriving insights by extracting data and performing exploratory data analysis to understand user behavior. Two, developing interesting hypotheses based on these insights and designing online control experiments. And three, drawing inferences from these results and informing product strategy for the future. Let's look at the top skills which are required for a product data scientist or analyst. Here are the core data science skills which would be required. First, data extraction. This includes query building and algorithm writing. Second, data manipulation. Third, experimentation. Fourth, data visualization. Fifth, data pipelines. And sixth, data modeling. Don't worry if you're not aware or you don't have deep expertise in any of these skills. We are soon going to start a video series explaining each of these in detail. These are the two top statistics skills which are required. One, descriptive statistics helping exploratory data analysis. This includes quantitative and graphical summary statistics and univariate and multivariate analysis. And two, inferential statistics, especially focused on randomized experiments, which includes hypothesis building and experimentation design, and also statistical analysis of experiment results. These are some of the product skills which are extremely important for an analyst or a data scientist. Product sense, understanding what makes a great product, understanding and defining key metrics, product strategy, how do you drive decisions through data, and understanding the data architecture for the product. Here are some of the communication skills which are required. One, strong documentation, data science requests for comments, data science requirement docs, experimentation plans, etc. And how do you build technical and product presentation and also present it to the leadership? The second is stakeholder management. How do you become a true thought partner with your product managers? And how do you work effortlessly and seamlessly with the engineering team? Here are the quick top tools which are used by a product data scientist or an analyst: SQL, Python or R, internal or external experimentation platform, Excel documentation and slides, whether it be Microsoft or Google, data visualization using internal or BI tools like Tableau, and data monitoring using Grafana or Datadog or any other monitoring tools. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Please tell us in the comments what do you want to learn next, and don't forget to subscribe to get the new updates.